Hello everyone, this is Alejandra with creatingwithali.com, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a card with the To a Wild Rose bundle, which is really nice. This is one of those distinctive stamps where it will give you a realistic look when you combine those. But for this one, I'm actually going to be using those two, so you're going to see how cute they are, as well as using these leaves. One of the things that I like in this one is that it does have really great sentiments. I love the fonts that they use, and this one is one of my favorites. I think that the sentiment is just fantastic, and it's a big one that you can use as a focus on your card. The dies come with some that are like outlines, and you can see this font border, and then of course you have the ones that will die cut your images, as you can see here, and it has a nice label, stitch label there as well. So real cool set to have. I'm sure we're gonna be seeing it more and more. And so let's get started with these. Now I have right now this design series paper out of the same color that I have here, which is Fleeted Flamingo, out of the Bright collections. However, I know that these might not be available anymore because they're changing the configuration of the design series paper. I just don't have the new one. So it's coming. It's gonna be on my first order, but so far you can see this is the new design series paper that we're gonna have for the ink colors. But look at that one. I mean, it's just really good, kind of like the Gingham Gallic that we have for the Butterfly Suite. And so I'm sure that when you're watching this video, you can have the same color out of the design series paper, just in a different design, if you will, but it should be the same color. So anyway, so this one is 3 by 5, I believe, so 3 by 5, which is going to go like that. This one is 4 1/4 by 4 1/4 by 11, so it's not my regular size. And let me just check this for a second, because now I'm doubting it. Yeah, it's 4 1/4 on this one. So yeah, I was like, wait a minute. Yeah, so 4 1/4 by 11. So we're gonna be folding this in half, and I have already die cut the stitch label that that you saw on that set, and then I have a scrap of Very Vanilla, and this one is also Very Vanilla. I feel like I almost never use those colors, like the Very Vanilla. Usually I go with the white, and so I decided to go this time with the what is this? With the Very Vanilla. So anyway, so we're gonna be stamping first with the Fleeted Flamingo. So we're gonna go ahead and stamp this one, and like I said, this is supposed to go also with the other image so that you have a more realistic stamp set. For this one, I'm trying to go just with a much more simpler look. So don't stress out. Then we have this one. Oh my goodness, I have here. So for this one, I don't want it that dark, so I'm going to use this. And then I'm going to do the outline with the Early Espresso. So let's just get these. So the way I line this up is, if you see this one, it has like, this one has like a little, it's kind of the same pattern as this angle. Right, so I'm going to go ahead and line them up, and oh, it's a little bit harder with the camera in front of me. But I tried to go with this petal, this one. I feel like it is so easy to spot on as you're stamping. So try always, when you see this type of images, try to spot on something that is easier for you to line up. This one should be a little bit easier. So again, it's just a matter of the camera being in front, so I might be off by a bit because I'm seeing some green, but anyway, we'll see. No, not too bad. Okay, good deal. Alright, and then I'm gonna bring the label, and I'm gonna go ahead and Let's just see. Yes. Okay, good deal. I'm like, wait, what? Alright, so now I'm going to be putting this one right here. Perfect. Okay, I love it. So now that's all my stamping. Now for the sake of this video, I have already die cut the flower and the leaf. So again, I show you you can see it here, and then you can see it here. I show you the die, so you just use your dice and die cut this one's very easy to do. And so let's just get assembling the car. That way it doesn't take whatever. Alright, so we're gonna just do this. And as usual, just bring your folder, because you get a better fold, like so. So then I'm going to be having this one, and I could choose, no, I think I like this pattern better. And like I said, I figure this one will be really cute if you use that gingham pattern. But again, I don't have that yet, so anyway. I'm just going to put this one like so. And then I'm thinking about putting... Oh yeah. Alright, this one like so, then this one here, and this one right there. What do you think, huh? Yes. Okay. Or we can put it on the other end. So let's just see if we put it here. No, I do like it here better. Alright, so let's just get started with assembling everything. Alright, so now that I have it there, we're going to put it like so. Okay, pretty cool. And then I think on this one, I probably should raise everything, don't you think? Or maybe, well, I'll raise this too, but not that one. How about that? That way it has some dimension. Okay, so we're gonna put this one like right here. Okay, and then this one will be raised. Okay, so for these ones, I want to put this. Oh, maybe. Let's see. How do I want it? Maybe do it like so. Alright, so let's just think about this for a second. Alrighty. I think I like it better like that. Okay, so let's just raise this one. Let's just leave everything as is. That way I can play around with this. So let's just put one here, one there, and one here. Alright, and then this one, oh, let's put the dimensionals as well. I need to not put a dimensional close to this area, so let's just put it somewhere here and here. Yeah, because this one will go like so. There we go. And so I'm going to put then here. Maybe just like that. Let's just see. Alright. Oh, yeah, it was this one. There you have it. Oh yes, beautiful. And then we're gonna add just a little touch, a final touch here. So give me just 1 second. We're gonna add this one. I'm about to finish. There you have it. Oh yeah, gorgeous. Okay, I'm about to finish my gold faceted gems. I love it. Alright, so here you have it. Very simple, really nice. And like I said, I love all the little all the sentiments and all the things going on with this one. Very simple. I'm sure you can recreate this one over and over. And what I love about this one is that you can do this one in any color, right? I mean, if you have Design Series paper, I mean, this comes on the whole collection, right, of colors. So where is the one that I showed you before? I don't even know what it is. Oh, here it is. So just imagine this. You can do like in all the new in colors, right? I mean, look at that Rococo, or this one, or even the blue. So just pick a pack, cut your cardstock, and just stamp all of these flowers in all the colors on the pack, and there you have it. You will have a full set of cards that are really quick and easy to make. So anyway, so thank you so much. Again, I appreciate you watching. Do subscribe to the channel if this is the first time that you saw this video or you see my channel. And also, do go ahead and sign up for my email. It's on the description of this video, because I send information about all the card classes that I do on a monthly basis. So definitely you don't want to miss out on that, okay? So thank you so much, and I'll see you soon.